So if you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to Arizona for 24 hours. And then you're probably just like, yo, Susan, why are you only going to Arizona for 24 hours? That's kind of weird. I don't know why you're doing that. Why would you do that? But there's a reason behind it. There's kind of always a reason behind everything that anyone does ever. So basically, we're flying out really early tomorrow morning, like really early, like having to leave the house at exactly 6 o'clock early. And then we're gonna fly out to Tucson, Arizona. And then once we land, we're gonna go tour the University of Arizona. And we're spending the night in Tucson, and then the next morning, getting up, flying back home. And I know all my videos recently have been like vlogs about me going to colleges and going on college tours, but that's kind of what's happening in my life as a 17-year-old person here who exists. So that's just kind of how it is. But I will see you tomorrow way too early in the morning. I should be like going to bed right now, but pass. And yes, I know I set it for 5:07 because my alarm clock, and yes, I still use a real alarm clock. My alarm clock snoozes 8 minutes, so if I set for 5:07 and I hit snooze once, then I'll wake up at 5:15, which is when I actually need to get up, so. It's too early to be up. But yay for going to Arizona. Okay, here's my airport outfit. Kind of boring, right? Yeah. Shoes. But I'm gonna have to bring a jacket because it's probably about 50 degrees colder here than in Arizona, because it's almost gonna be 100 in Arizona, and I don't know what to do with myself in 100-degree weather, so I'm gonna have to figure out something. Let's go to Arizona. Honestly, gonna do my best to try to vlog. I'm really bad at remembering to, so hopefully I do that. You hope that I do that, and I hope I do that, but will it get done? We'll just have to wait and see. So we got the coffee, except there's a hole in the straw, which isn't good, and the egg McMuffin. Even though I already ate breakfast, I'm having breakfast again. Oh, look how tiny this tray table is. I don't even know if you can consider this a tray table. We just landed this airport. Seems like an office building, not an actual airport, but it is an airport, but it kind of doesn't seem like it, but that's okay. And we've arrived at the hotel and I'm so hungry. What's happening? And so therefore we're gonna get food. So hungry, part 2. So we finally got to the hotel room. It's way too hot. I don't know how to function in heat that's over 85 degrees, and you people are probably just like,
that's really cold or really hot.
I don't know what you guys think. Tell me if you think 85 degrees is hot, but it's like 98, so I don't really like that weather. But we went on the tour, and then we went to the mall because that was the only thing that was inside, and I didn't feel like going up a mountain doing like a 4-mile hike in almost 100-degree weather. I mean, maybe that's your thing. If it is good for you, you're really going for it. I'm not. So we went to the mall, we got in and out, as you probably just saw, and now what are we doing? Gonna go to sleep. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick little hotel room tour. We have this painting, which I just noticed. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Then we have this. Nothing in that except for whatever that is. Don't know what that is. Then there's me. Hello. And then there's the desk where I'll try to do some editing, but probably get distracted on BuzzFeed. Couch, table, sink, whatever that stuff is, light. Yeah, this part's kind of boring. Here's the bedroom. There's a bed, obviously. That's why it's called a bedroom. Here's the view. I actually haven't seen the view yet, but that's what it looks like. Why is this locked? That's kind of suspicious. That closet is locked. We have this makeup thing. I don't know if this is actually supposed to be for makeup. Probably not. Then we have that, the bathroom. There's me again, and the rest of the bathroom. And that's it. Okay, it's the next day. We're in the airport now. I'm so tired. I went to bed at like 8:30 last night. That's about it. I don't know what that was. Ignore that. Okay, quick update. We got past security. I got my bubbly. If you guys didn't know, I'm like addicted to this stuff. Also, got the coffee. Also addicted to this stuff. And now we have like 3 hours till we start boarding. So time to edit a video. And now I'm back. I don't think I've ever actually filmed a video with my camera at this place in my bedroom. It probably is not the best, but you know what? That's totally fine. Anyway, now I'm back home after spending a wonderful 24, maybe less than 24 hours in Arizona. Never done that before, but now I have. You can check that off the bucket list. But basically, you know, Arizona was fun. Couldn't vlog during the tours because, you know, that's just not a thing that you do. But then, overall review, Arizona. I know you didn't ask for a review of this trip, but I'm giving you one, so here you go. I really like the aesthetics of Arizona, like with the dry desert area. Do not enjoy the heat. I like when it's 65 out and not 100, but other than the heat, it was a fun time, you know? I love going to airports, love traveling, love going to new places. I don't really have anything else to say. Also, sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I'm doing that. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, thanks for watching. You're pretty cool. And thumbs up this video, subscribe, and do all that other stuff that everyone else says to do. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.